Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we'll talk about the mobile site speed and how it is significant for your business. Now, why you should never ignore your mobile site speed? Well, smartphone users are expected to be around 859 million in India by 2022. That is an 84% increase from 2017. What does this mean to businesses? The number of people visiting your mobile site is bound to only increase. Businesses need to keep up with this and optimize their mobile sites for better user experience. In days where almost all micro moments of consumers happen on mobile, they only expect better, reliable, and faster experience when they are on a company website. Well, do users actually feel page load speed is a big deal? Well, apparently yes. 40% of the consumers abandon a site that takes more than 3 seconds to load. And if there's a 1 second delay, there will be a reduction of 7% in conversion rate. So page load speed is indeed an important part of your digital presence. Not just because of shoppers' user experience, even to be prominent on the search pages, companies have no option but to optimize their mobile sites because of increased importance attached to mobile sites by Google, which is by a distance the most visited search engine. Their mobile-first indexing ranks your sites based on your mobile site's performance. If a business does not have a mobile site, the desktop is used for ranking. However, we do not need any research reports to understand that majority of the browsing, especially by shoppers, happen on mobile sites. Well, as a matter of fact, there are high chances that you are watching this video on your mobile. Okay, so user experience and mobile first indexing is important. Now, how can these be improved? How can you make your mobile site load faster? To know this, first we need to understand what makes a page site load slower. Well, there could be various reasons, but some of the most common things are no responsive design. A website without responsive design loads slower. Fixing this is very important in making your mobile site load faster. Too many scripts on the website or too many redirects on the website will also slow down the speed. Similarly, too many images will also make your website load slower. Also, a poorly set up server that is slow will only add to the problems of the site loading. Okay, so now we know some of the probable reasons for slower site speeds. What can be done to fix the site load issues? Okay, number one, start with optimizing your page images. This is as simple as it gets. Reduce your image sizes so that they load faster. Larger images take a longer time to load and will lead to negative user experience. The next thing is reduce the number of clicks. The more the number of clicks users have to make on the website, the slower will be the site load time. Then minimize the redirects on the website. See that users accomplish everything they want on a single page rather than going from one page to another. This will only reduce the site speed. Also, minify the code. Start with removing unnecessary portions of the code such as commas, special characters, spaces, etc. Doing this can increase your site speed substantially. Also, which is not listed here, is using a CDN. CDN is Content Distribution or Delivery Network. The information or content on the internet is distributed through a network of servers called CDN. Usage of CDN ensures packets of data stored in different data centers can be accessed by your users efficiently. Now, is there a way to check if your mobile site speed is good enough, up to the mark? Well, yes, there is a free tool by Google called Test My Site. You can just Google it, Test My Site, and you can just add your domain name and check your mobile site speed. So let's try, you can check with Google itself. Okay. entered google.com. Now in this site it will tell you how fast or slow your mobile site is, and it will also have uh, a downloadable report which you can take it back to your design teams, web design, web development teams, and have them fix those issues which are there in the report. So I'm just skipping to the results. Okay, so here well, google.com registered in US and the rating is average. That is pretty understandable for a site like Google, which is accessed by millions across the globe 24/7. uh, but the idea, the objective for your mobile site should be to rank from at least average to higher, and if it is slower, you also have an option to generate the report, like I said, which you can take back to your tech teams and have those fixed. Okay, so conclusion. As a business who has a digital presence, it is important for you to include mobile first approach for your sites. Remember that large part of your users could be reaching out to you via your mobile site, and optimizing it with the above steps helps to deliver a great user experience. Well, that's all from us today in this video. We will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.